मंगल मूर्ति मौर्य। इतना बड़ा काम गणपति जी को प्रणाम करके पूजा करके आज हम लोग उद्घाटन किया है। मिस्टर Subramaniam, Chairman LTM Group, he is on the dais. I would like to convey my best regards to Chairman LTM and other board member and whole LTM family from the core of my heart. Dr. Kalyan Chakraborty, highly educated professor and my cabinet colleague sitting on the dais, please accept my best wishes. The Principal Secretary of this department, Senior IAS, Shubhanjan Das, he is also dais. Please accept my best wishes to you. Ladies and gentlemen, press media and other guests sitting on this auspicious occasion. Especially, I would like to thank CP Vidhannagar, Mr. Amit Rathore ji, and local MLA Piyush Kanodia. He is not leader, he is a good worker. Today, it's a privilege to me to inaugurate this Anand Niketan, a landmark where West Bengal talent meets the future of artificial intelligence, digital engineering and global enterprise. This campus is New Town Silicon Valley Hub is more than a building. It is a vote of confidence in Kolkata, in our great West Bengal, and above all in the capability of our young people. With nearly 7,48,000 square feet of work space across 2 towers and capacity for approximately 5,800 professionals, Anand Niketan will create a world-class environment for high-value technology career. You know, the Bengal have high-skilled people are here. The youngsters are now leaving Bengal, West Bengal, and going other state, also they abroad. I think after LTM project, they will again come back their home in city of joy, Kolkata, in our great state, West Bengal. The campus carries a powerful message. West Bengal can be rooted in its culture and yet compete at the highest level in the global digital economy. Our government is committed. It's a double-engine government. Under the great inspiration of and leadership of our beloved Prime Minister Narendra Modi ji, this government is functioning. Our aim and objective is very clear. We are trying to rebuild West Bengal because huge number of educated, unemployed youths, they are crying. they need business, they need job. They are too much interested to work in Bengal, but earlier situation is not favorable. Now, this double engine government is committed to rendering their both hands to further progress and reconstruction of our state. I am especially pleased to, in this vision, energy, efficient systems, smart building management, water conservation, responsible operation and green build objective. Our government will help entrepreneurs and small business access credit and opportunity through schemes such as PM Mudra, PM Vishwakarma and PME GP. We will strengthen industry, academia partnership, so our students are trained for the job being created, artificial intelligence, cloud data, cyber security, chip design, automation and digital manufacturing. Mr. Subramaniam and your full team, I am assuring the state government will work with you. L&T is a very good and reputed international player. We have enough regards and confidence to L&T. Now I hope the L&T group will come again and again and invest here more. State government is ready to cooperate with your team wholeheartedly. I am assuring you. Again, I would like to convey my best wishes to everybody on the eve of the Raksha Bandhan, Rakhi Purnima, tomorrow. This year, Rakhi Purnima, not only a religious program. पश्चिम बंगाल की सरकार इस बार रक्षा बंधन को देश प्रेम का बंधन के नाते काल पूरा प्रदेश में 4000 कार्यक्रम होगा। करोड़ों से ज्यादा लोग एक साथ हाथ मिला के बंगाल को पुनर्निर्माण अंडर द लीडरशिप ऑफ दी नरेंद्र मोदी जी करने के लिए काल शपथ लेगा। इसलिए मैं आभारी हूं, मुझे आपने यहां बुलाया, मौका दिया और उद्घाटन करने का भी मौका दिया। আমি পশ্চিম বাংলার আমার সমস্ত ভাই বোনেদের বলবো, যারা খুব খুব দক্ষ তারা সবাই চলে গেছিলেন, কেউ ব্যাঙ্গালোরে, কেউ হায়দ্রাবাদে, কেউ পুনেতে, কেউ নাগপুরে। Please come. Now double engine is functioning. A true patriotic government is functioning. Our vision is clear. স্বামী বিবেকানন্দের যে মহান মন্ত্র চরৈবতী চরৈবতী, ইটস আওয়ার অনলি মন্ত্র। অতএব আসুন পশ্চিমবঙ্গে আমরা আপনাদের সবাইকে স্বাগত জানাবো। এবং ফাইনালি I would like to say one thing, that L for Lok Kalyan, this is our main aim and object. T for transformation of West Bengal. Again, I would like to convey my best regards, best wishes and बहुत सारा अभिनंदन LTM को और L&T परिवार को। आप आइए, आपको जो चाहिए देने के लिए चीफ मिनिस्टर का दोनों हाथ रेडी है। Jai Hind.